Hello, and welcome to KnowledgeCity's course on Excel 365. This is the intermediate course. My name is Steve Pollock, and I will be your instructor leading you through the lessons. I also taught the beginner course on Excel 365. I am a Microsoft certified professional and CompTIA A+ computer consultant. I have been the president and owner of a computer repair, networking, and software company for the past 20 years. I have 3 college degrees in computers, which include computer science, programming, networking, and geographic information systems. I have programmed, designed, and created professional software programs, and I have helped and taught over 2,500 clients how to use Microsoft computer software, hardware, and peripherals. We'll be learning how to create and use tables in Excel. We'll be learning about creating and using charts and graphics. We'll be working with functions, and we'll be using the if, VLOOKUP, COUNTIF, power functions. We'll be going over security in Excel, sharing in Excel, finalizing and printing workbooks, and saving your workbooks. So let's get started with Excel 365 Intermediate class.